Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Alice Walker here. This is the look I've got for you today. We're going for warm colors. Last week we had a beautiful weather in the UK, so yeah, I decided to go for like really warm colors here, and this is the look I've got for you. It's absolutely gorgeous. I actually got an inspiration from my hair. My hair has a little bit of blonde in there, so I decided to go for warm colors to go with my hair, and I feel like I have achieved my aim. And also, this video was filmed on Mother's Day. It's UK's Mother's Day, so I'd like to take this opportunity to wish all the amazing and the beautiful moms out there, and even some great and beautiful dads out there as well. I would like to wish all of you guys a happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day, guys. You guys are doing an amazing job. You guys are awesome. Love you guys. Still got my hair in. I am loving my hair so much, and because my hair has some blondes and some browns, we're gonna stick to warm colors today. Warm colored makeup looks. So if you're interested, keep on watching. As you guys can see, I've done my eyebrow already. I have primed my face. I've been using this Juvia's Place. It's a pen. It's an eyebrow pen. That's what I've been using to do my eyebrow at the moment, and I am loving this pen so much. When it finishes, I'm actually going to purchase a new one. There it is. It is absolutely good. I'm actually so close to my lights at the moment, and I'm so hot. I'm gonna base my eye, and before I put the lighter color, I normally go in with this. So it's the e.l.f. concealer. So I've got a little bit of hyperpigmentation on my eyelid, and we're trying to cover that. My mirror is too low and I don't like it, so we're gonna raise it up a bit. There you go. Okay. Ooh, that's much better. That is much better, guys. I've got a little bit of hyperpigmentation on my eyelid, so yeah, this helps it conceal it. It helps the eyeshadow go on a bit better, and it also makes the eyeshadow pop depending on what shade of foundation or what shade of concealer you are using. And again, I'm going to go over with the anti-instant eraser multi-use concealer, and it's 05 brightener, and it's from Maybelline. Next, I am going to blend it in with my brush. I like blending in with brush. So we are going to go for the shade Chestnut from the Morphe palette 3502 as my transition shade. We are going to put it right in the crease area and just above the crease area. My brush is so big, I'm not getting the precision that I want. Now I am using my fingers to blend it in because we want it to look very seamless. Fingers blend even better, much better than a brush or a beauty blender. You know, use your natural resources. So we're going to be using a little bit of a smaller brush because we want it to be a little bit more precise than the one that I put in the crease area and above the crease area. I'm going with the palette that I've been using lately. It's my Carnival 3 Be Perfect palette. It's so beautiful palette. It's got beautiful shades in there. In fact, the eyeshadow look that we're going to be doing, we're going to be going for all the shades from this palette here. We'll be doing warm colors. We're going to go for this one here, the Sample Beauty, and there's a darker shade in there that I actually absolutely adore. We're going to go for Cutters, actually. Cutters, this one here. So I'm not going to go all the way to the end here. I will stop just in the middle, and I'm actually going to apply it in a V motion. This is what we are doing. Okay. So this one is, I'm putting it just there, just in the crease and below the crease area. And like I said, we're not going all the way to the end. Okay, there it is. Can you see, guys? Can you see, guys? And we're doing the same on the other side. We're going to apply it in the crease area and below the crease area in a V motion. And again, I'm going to stop right in the center of the lid. I'm not going all the way to the inner corner. So from the Carnival 3 palette, I'm going to show you the 3 colors that we'll be using today. We'll be using this shade here, that shade here, this shade here. So we're going to go for the darker shade first, Blaze, which is the darker shade, which is the red. I'll be cutting a crease with a flat brush here, and again we're using the same concealer, anti-instant eraser multi-use concealer from Maybelline. First of all, I will put it there. I'll put some there and I'll put some there. So we're going to cut the crease. We're going to join the line to exactly where it stopped. Okay, we're going to join this line as well. I'm going to go in with Blaze. There you go, this one here, the red shade I showed you. We're going to go in with that. I'm going to start off from here. And now we're going to go for yellow. Now we're going to go for the shade Clay. So I'm going to try and blend them together. So to blend them together, I'm bringing the red into the yellow. Yep, I'm blending the red into the yellow. Now I'm going to blend the yellow into the I'm going to do the eyeliner, and the liner we're using today is the Epic Ink from NYX. We've done the eyeliner. Now I'm going to clean it up on the edges. I'm going to use a liquid eyeliner to align under my eye. I'm going to put a little bit of mascara on before we apply the eyelashes. So the mascara we'll be using today is the Maybelline New York Sky High Mascara. Okay, now let's apply the lashes. So am I gonna apply the lashes on here? We're going to look down and put it at the top. I had to go off camera to put my lashes on because like I was saying, I had it in my eye and it was so uncomfortable, so I had to go back, insert it and come back here. So yeah, I do apologize. My eyes are going to be watery the whole time that I'm doing this makeup because my eyes are actually irritated at the moment. Now we're going to go on the face. Today we are going to use two foundations, and both foundations are from Maybelline. This one is the 30H foundation, the Super Stay 70 Cocoa, so that's what we'll be using. And we are also using Fit Me by Maybelline Matte Poreless, which is the 350, because this one is a little bit lighter for me and this one is slightly darker, so that's why I got the two to mix them up. They're both such great foundations. If you have like a really oily skin, for summertime, these foundations are really good. Try them. The shade is a little bit lighter, but it's okay. Both in. I have got oily skin, and when I apply these two foundations on, I'm telling you, my skin doesn't break. You know, my skin doesn't break. It stays intact. My makeup stays intact for a long time. I'm not gonna say for the whole night, but I mean it stays for a long time. And it also covers as much as possible, because they're all like full coverage foundation, and I do prefer the full coverage foundation. So when I use it, they do cover. I'm gonna apply concealer under my eye, and the concealer we're using again is the Hydrating Camo Concealer Satin from e.l.f. The color is Deep Olive. I personally don't like the shade, but oh, it's a lot. I don't like it because it's too golden for me, and I prefer it with a little bit of neutral shades in there. The shade that I got, for me, it wasn't the right shade, but I like the consistency, and I like how the concealer looks on my skin. Again, like I said, I do not like the wand because the wand is way too big. So guys, now I'm going to contour. I am going to really contour. We're gonna blend in the contour. We're gonna blend in. Now I am going to set the face. We're gonna go over the whole face with my powder. So this one is my shade. We're gonna apply it in the contoured areas first. Then after that, we're gonna go over the whole face. I'm gonna go over the whole face just to blend the whole face in. I'm gonna spray my face with the Revolution Matte Fix Setting Spray. And then we're gonna do our lipstick and we are done. Lipstick we're going to go for is the Cocoa from Juvia's Place. This is the final look. I love it so much, and then there it is.